Hey guys, Edgar here with Tame the Wild, here to talk to you about the new Tame the Wild Easy Glide hairbrush. Let's go ahead and start. As you can see, the ceramic brushes make it for a very easy glide. And you can probably start already telling one side of my face is a lot longer and straighter than the other. It's a very quick and easy process. You can see I'm not pulling or anything. Don't worry about it, that steam, that smoke coming out, that is from the oil, the hairdresser's oil. Just a little bit of argan oil to make sure that my beard is smooth. As you can see also, I'm able to touch the bristles and run them through my face. The no scald design of the brush and the bristles prevent from any type of scalding or burning of your hand or your face. You can see, I have a little bit longer beard, so I tend to use my holding it down motion just to get the hairs from underneath, getting them nice and straight. Make sure you comb each way, all directions. It doesn't matter if your beard is small or big or long. You want to make sure that you comb all directions to ensure that you are getting all of your hairs. Something very good about this brush, a very interesting part about this brush, is this swivel design of the electric cord. It really helps move the cord out of your way as you're brushing your face. As you can see, we are done. Let's go ahead and give it a little bit of a last minute brush with the included Tame the Wild pear wood comb. Has thin and wide bristles to make sure that you give yourself a nice little brush after you straighten your beard. Now, here we go. The Tame the Wild Easy Glide hair straightening brush. It's a must for any gentleman that has a beard or any type of facial hair that you need to go ahead and try to tame and keep under control.